crazy. You're crazy, buddy.
That's not bad.
Are you about to do it too? Oh, okay. She's like, I got. She's like, I got a kid to worry about.
I did not expect it to go my crack like that. You don't have to do like that. I don't know you like that.
Woo! Yeah, that's that's nasty.
No problem.
No problem.
Hey, there's our swimming hole.
Yeah, we'll have to come back there later on. All right, this is the way to that field, right?
The gators are right there.
Oh God, dang it! Look at that big ass deer hoof, or whatever that is.
Is that a cow?
Oh, is that a cow? Oh. Look at that deer.
City boy over here like
Fuck,
thinking there's moose out here.
I was about to say, maybe that's a moose. Don't go in that one.
It looks big.
Yeah.
That's not that bad.
You never listen to people when they say that. Oh shit, we're sinking. This is not good stuff to be in.
Carlos, you gonna get us stuck here?
I might.
Deep grass?
Look at that. Look how thick it is.
Yeah, the deep grass is gonna
That's some nasty stuff. Oh my God, we better not get stuck out here.
be so embarrassed. So embarrassed right now.
Don't be embarrassed.
Raindrops right in there.
What were you thinking? You okay?
Yeah, it was a big horse fly.
Oh, is that rain? Oh, that's rain. I love it.
You're talking big game for somebody who just got stuck in grass.
They don't need to know about that. Damn, you're floating a little bit. Oh yeah, I see what you're talking about. It sounds like he wants to die. Let me pull you out. Damn it! Damn it!
GoPro stopping point. I got you.
God damn it!
Yeah, she got a lot deeper.
Yeah, it got a lot deeper. Oh,
Look, you're cutting out.
yeah.
I went underwater, so I didn't want to. That's why
Yeah,
I
no,
stopped.
I'm glad that.
But you know, last time I did that, I pulled the air filter out. It was dry. So I don't know if it's
I wonder if this spark plug is getting wet or something.
either something like that or it's too much back pressure in that muffler. Because once the muffler comes out of water,
Man, my buddies have gone so deep in these things.
I don't know, it's crazy.
I've never. Trying to get you some. We'll go ahead and use that.
Yeah.
Where can I hook to on this thing?
You want a shackle? I got an axle strap.
I think he's got a. Oh, you got that thing right there. Oh, we're good, bud. You got this thing over here.
And then you'll have to drop it below that black.
Oh yeah, I see what you're talking about.
Hey, let me do a lot of the work because reverse on those are not very stout. So we don't want to tear your gear up. That the hard way. Yeah. So just barely keep me some tension, that's it.
Let me get out of here. Go. Give him a little bit of pressure. Give him a little bit of pressure. All right. So Robert, how did it feel pulling out of Can-Am with your Polaris? You feel pretty good? Everybody wants to know. You said you're a humble man?
I'm a humble man. But I like to thank my mama, she the real MVP.
I'm gonna let that dust settle real quick so I can see what I'm doing.
Does seeing normally help you?
Yeah, a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. There we go.
Looking very Lion King. What a will to be seen.
Yeah. Damn, that shit's nasty. Hold on to your butts. Was
How are you gonna get through there?
This way. Not this way. Oh damn!
I got myself good.
You got yourself stuck real good.
As soon as I could move this, I realized I was like,
Yeah, I didn't catch her in time. I was watching you and I looked off and I was like, yeah, she stopped and I was like, that's that bad spot. She goes, yeah.
Oh my gosh. Is that where I went through?
Yeah, you went straight
that's,
through
yeah,
it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's some deep ruts.
Yeah, that's some thick mud there.
as soon as I hit it, I stopped.
Damn. Woo! You gonna turn around? If you need me to, I'll pull that thing right through, buddy.
Go ahead.
Oh. Yeah, what was that? Can you not turn the tire anymore? Can you not turn it? Oh, okay, there it goes. Okay, hold on. I thought something was broken there for a second.
I thought it was the tire came off the rim.
Yeah.
Just doing an air pocket in the mud.
Yeah, that was weird. That was real weird.
So much for not getting that dirty.
Did you say you weren't gonna get that dirty?
No, I said she wasn't.
Oh,
Like, you look really clean.
you jinxed her. Perfect.
Thanks, Jordan.
Oh,
I'm not dirty.
revenge. Oh, that's so cute. The Polarises were kissing. There it is. Uh-oh, he's about to get on it. Woo! Yeah, there's some nasty shit back here, buddy. I like his tenacity. Yeah.
I asked him, I said, have you been through it? And he goes, yeah. I said,
Okay.
have fun.
Look at that. That's just, I'm honestly surprised how well those tires are doing in this. Like he's able to back up and go for it. That's crazy. Oh, yeah. I'm impressed that those are pulling like that.
Yeah, I'll be honest, well, they're cleaning.
Yeah.
Somehow they're cleaning.
Yeah. Jesus.
Ah, you got her. Keep going. Bit dry.
It's still moving somehow. I don't understand. Woo!
One thing that Kawasaki has that's definitely got time.
Yeah.
You haven't even made it to the deep part yet. No. The deep part's right there.
It's a lot drier than the last time I went through here.
Yeah, it's real thick. Jesus. He's doing it smart though. Shit, maybe he will make it all the way through. I don't know. Yeah. I don't know. Is that belt squeal?
Probably.
Oh, okay.
Who knows? It's a fucking race. They'll probably be in the shop all week.
Yeah, exactly. Look at that shit.
Check out his breather pipe. It's sucking it closed.
Is it really? On his belt? Oh yeah. Damn. Shit. Robert, you gonna two-wheel drive?
That's where I messed up too. I think I went in.
My four-wheel messed up, man.
Oh god. Oh, it is a Polaris, so that's just what they
Same
do.
excuse he gave you earlier.
Four-wheel is messed up.
Come on, you gotta go in because I gotta have redemption pulling in Polaris.
You won't give me that.
Nah, that's 1-0.
We won't give you that one.
We're gonna leave 1-0.
We gonna leave it one and
That 1-0 for a second.
Yeah, she was already off in it before I turned around. I was like, that's that bad spot. Like, I know.
He said, thanks, man.
Thanks for telling me.
You mean you couldn't text me before?
I know, I was too busy recording him. Just happened to look over and I was like,
Gotta show up that little Polaris, huh? You gotta. Just walked right through it. Those things are bad.
Somebody had to clear the fucking path for us. I wonder who it was. I thought, well, I'll give them a little bit of a chance. I'll push the mud out of the way.
Those things are pretty bad.
I think it's time to go find a pond.
For real.